Well, I still own it, so it'd be inconsistent if I didn't think it was a buy. And maybe it was. You have to realize, though, Kelly, that when it did come out IPO, we were in a completely different market environment. We were in a growth phase. We were in buy any growth that you can get your hands on. So was it mispriced? I don't know. Maybe it wasn't mispriced for the environment, but it was poor timing. So now when you look at it, what's been the major headwinds for it? It's been production. So they have to figure out how to produce more vehicles. Seems obvious, but what most people are worried about with this one is cash. They have $17 billion in cash, Kelly. They have enough to last through their growth phase all the way to 2025. That, to me, should be more than enough time to get production in line, to get into a better growth environment. So I'm sticking with it. Plus, you have Amazon there as a little bit of a support for them as well, ordering their commercial vans. I think it's still a buy. And of course, I think it's a much bigger buy at these levels than it was originally at the IPO.
All right, let's move on to your next buy. A little more esoteric. It's COUPANG, the South Korean e-commerce giant. Why this one?
Well, all these names on this list are going to suffer from the same thing. No one wanted to be involved with any growth name that was reliant on low rates, right? Because you're paying for that future growth. So we're not talking, even the Apples of the world and the Amazons of the world were hit when we switched from growth to value. Now, when we look at a possible recession looming, investors don't want to purchase anything that's in the growth bucket or anything that's not in the proven growth bucket. But this one is the Amazon of South Korea. It's going to service Asia. It's going to service America. This one, Morgan Stanley called it a compelling value in the last couple of days. This is one that's mistimed the market as well. So for you to pick up this one going into the next growth cycle, and there will be a next growth cycle, I think this is a tremendous valuation for the name.
All right, let's move on from COUPANG to UiPath. That's your final buy. They're down 56% this year, very similar performance. They also just announced they're trimming 5% of the workforce. So I don't know if you take that as a kind of a helpful sign. Maybe if you think the stock is a buy, why does this one jump out to you?
So this one was a restructuring element to it that made me feel as if this could be constructive going forward. And by the way, all of these names on a technical basis seem to have bottomed out in the middle of May. So there's something else that you want. You don't want to look at names that have not been hit hard. Now, my caveat, Kelly, is if the market gets hit again, these are not going to be immune. 2/3 of stocks trade with the overall market. I've said that for over a decade while I've been on CNBC. So none of these names are going to be immune regardless of what bucket they're in, growth or value. But this one is going to focus on automation. It's going to focus on AI. How are companies going to deal with a possible recession? They're going to lay off people and rely more on AI and automation, and this one should be in the sweet spot. So remember, they're laying off people because they were front-loaded for growth. Environment changed, they changed. We didn't see that. And I think the problem is they're too reliant on government contracts. And do you think the government is going to be spending more money going forward or less? I'll answer my own question. I think they're going to be spending less money. So if you're more reliant on a customer for the bulk of your revenue, that's going to be shrinking, you have to bail on that stock. Once again, my caveat is this. The chart tells me that all of these stocks probably should rally if the market rallies, but I would think that Palantir is going to be dealing with major headwinds going forward for their business strategies.
All right, Steve, you did it. 3 buys and a bail from this IPO bunch. We really appreciate it. It's great to see you today.